Loyal multi-use harrow can be helpful for a variety of jobs, such as aerate and dethatch your yard, smooth out your driveway and paths, and working in fertilizer and seeds. Setting up a new harrow is quick and easy. Simply connect the S-hooks on the main harrow body to the drawbar as demonstrated. Then hook your harrow to an ATV, UTV, or tractor by slipping the ring over a ball hitch or using a pin. An ideal time to use your harrow to dethatch and aerate your lawn is during the spring when there is moisture in the ground. The ground is softer, which makes it easier to remove dead grass. The model shown here is 4 feet by 8 feet, which consists of two 4 foot by 4 foot sections hooked together. Sizes range from 4 to 14 feet wide and 4 to 8 feet long. By working up dead grass, more air and water can get to the roots and stimulate growth. Notice the harrow does a good job of working up the grass, but isn't too aggressive where our yard is torn up. As you can see, 1 week later, our yard looks much better and the dead grass that has been pulled up can be raked or swept with a lawn sweeper. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll notice that patch of brown grass. We concentrate our efforts on removing dead grass from this area, and again, you can see after about a week, results will start showing. Loyal harrow is an ideal tool to use for food plots. After working up the ground with a heavier disc, make a few passes with the harrow to break up heavier soil and clumps. Then your food plot will be ready for seeding. After your food plot has been planted, flip the harrow on its back. It will now act as a mat. This will lightly cover the seeds and your food plot will see good results. When deciding what size harrow will I need, it's best to think of the ways you'll be using it. Wider harrows do a better job of covering your vehicle tracks. Longer harrows give you the benefit of making fewer passes over the area you're working on. In addition to using your harrow for lawn maintenance, it's an ideal tool to help maintain driveways, paths, and arenas. It works great at smoothing out rough spots and helps level uneven ground. Here, we have a gravel lot that sees plenty of traffic. You can see it does a great job of smoothing out the tire tracks and ruts. For deeper ruts or more uneven ground, sometimes it may be useful to cover that area a couple times until you achieve the results you desire.